So we have about a half a scoop of OXICLEAN in our clean trash can. I normally use this just to kind of hold my microfibers, so rinse it out, it's clean. And we're going to take our mats that are heavily soiled. We even have, looks like some dye transfer, maybe they spilled some detergent back in the day. I'm seeing like some purple here. But we've got heavily soiled mats that if I were to try to come in and just go over it with my normal solution and extract, we're still going to have a lot of staining. So we're actually going to soak these in our OXICLEAN, and then we're going to go ahead and extract. So here's our before condition of our mats. We're also going to use OXICLEAN in a pump sprayer with our AquaProvac to clean the white carpets on the interior, and just something that normally you can have around the house. It can do a great job on interior carpets as well for your cars. So let's go ahead and get these soaking and see what they look like after. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. So I apologize that I don't have footage to show you me doing this process. I was very pressed for time on this detail, but the steps are very simple. Soak in your OXICLEAN solution for 15 to 20 minutes, maybe even longer. Pressure wash afterwards, and then you can respray with your solution, agitate with drill brushes, and then extract even with cold water extraction until you have clean solution. You might have to repeat spraying your solution, agitate, and extract until you have clean solution, but you can see peroxide-based cleaners, even OXICLEAN, are going to give you really nice results, especially on light colored interiors. So hopefully you enjoy this quick tip. We'll see you guys in the next detail. Have a great day.